Boom! Boom! Woo! I'm scared. I ain't gonna lie to you. They say this player is the most feared player. I'm scared. Oh, I am scared. I got some rugby today for y'all. We going crazy all the way over here in America, just spreading love one day at a time, because you never know what somebody's going through, what they've been through, and what they're battling with. We're going to spread love to each other and have some fun today. I love y'all, man. The Keep Coming family, the beautiful people around the world. Let's keep this thing rocking and rolling. And this was sent in via email, and this email I got last week. And shout out to James and his amazing wife as well. They both reached out to me like, Rick, we would love for you to react to some rugby on the channel, more rugby. We see your old rugby reactions. So hey, we're gonna keep this thing going. And this is one of the links they also put in the email, and a couple more as well. But this one is called "Everybody Was Afraid of Him." Sébastien Chabal, I think I said it right. Sébastien Chabal is an aggressive freak of nature. Hopefully, if I mispronounced that wrong or anything, y'all please reach out to me. Send me a message, an audio message, how to pronounce it on Instagram or something. Just send me. Y'all know how y'all always do it and take care of me and humble me. So, but they say this is also the rugby's hardest hitter. So let's check it out. I'm kind of scared. Yeah, I think I had tinkled on myself. It's kind of I got. Oh man! Anybody got a towel, a wet wipe, or something, a napkin? I might have tinkled on myself a little bit. Let's get it. Holy shit! Just look at him. Are you not scared? I ain't even seen no highlights yet. I don't even want to press play. I'm so scared over here. I don't know what to do. What you mean? Look at him.
Big hits coming in.
That fella, coming downhill. Y'all know I used to play football, but some of y'all say, "Oh, American football is soft. Y'all have pads." Yeah. They say that American football we're soft down here. Yeah, I played football all the way to the professional level in college, and then I hung up my boots 3 years ago. Yeah. I miss putting on that helmet and them pads and running with that ball and catching the ball. I miss that, man, you know. I miss it. But, man, I've always wanted to play rugby, but I felt like I don't know. I always wanted to play rugby, though, you know. But it's just so limited down here where I live, you know. It's just very, very limited. So, when I got to react to these rugby highlights for the first time a couple years ago, I was like, oh, my fucking God, you know. Because I always seen it on social media and stuff, but I was like, man, these guys really go out here, no pads on, and get down and dirty. You know, I'm like, man, I want to do that, you know, because when we was kids, that's all we used to do. We would tackle each other. Come on, y'all know you was kids, tackling each other, no pads on. Thought you was in an actual football game playing with your little brother, even your little sister sometimes. She get in there and have fun with y'all too. Yeah, that's how I grew up as kids, man. Me and my brother grew up wrestling and tackling. We used to love wrestling, you know.
Mr. Chabal.
Boom, I mean, he come with that shoulder. Oh my God. Oh man, somebody get that fella some a bag of ice and an aspirin. Get that man some numbing cream too. That fella gonna be in pain after that. Look at that shoulder. Look at it. Oh my God. Get that fella some numbing cream. Here it come. Ha. And he running too. Still scored it. That fella got some juice on him. Them legs got some juice. That fella can run. Look at that fella. I like him though. He got that dog in him. That heart. Yeah. Ah! Oh, what the? Oh, dragging them boys. Drag. Oh. That is beautiful. That is beautiful technique. Beautiful technique.
Michalak. Pour Chabal. Fin de la passe. Il reste debout, Chabal. Ouais, il reste debout. Énorme Sébastien Chabal.
Hey. That man took that hit. He ran full speed into him. He just absorbed the tackle. Absorbed it. Oh man.
Et à la mou qui s'est retrouvé au sol, sorti Whipou. Cartel, Sébastien Chabal sur Bafoué. Ah, il y a beaucoup de vide.
Ah! That man is an animal. All right, man, gone. Yeah. Hey.
Pas mordu au leurre d'Aaron Rodgers. Whipou encore avec Jack. Jack repoussé.
Where you going? Where you going? Oh.
C'est toujours un 2 points.
Avec Chabal maintenant. Chabal qui progresse. Qui a renversé.
Oh man, what? Man swung on somebody. Oh. But shout out to Die Hard Rugby, man. Oh. I don't know. I'm scared. We definitely will be checking out some more rugby, y'all. I'm scared. Okay. Oh man, that fella is a freak of really a freak of nature, man. If y'all have any more requests, please comment down below. Send them to me. Email it to me. DM it to me. I would love to check it out. I love y'all. That one was a freaking banger, man. I definitely got to check out his hardest hits video. Because I see one up there. I definitely got to check it out. But hey, I love y'all, and I'll catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace and love, y'all.